Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to update the T-Life app to fix network error on login, clear cache and reinstall fix. To resolve the T-Life app network login error, you must clear the app's cache, update it to the latest version, or perform a clean reinstallation to flush out corrupted local session data. Step 1 is to clear the app cache. On your Android device, open your phone settings app, then tap on apps or applications. Now locate and select T-Life from the list and tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Do not click on clear data yet as that logs you out completely. On your iOS iPhone, Apple devices do not have a dedicated clear cache button for individual apps, so you must offload the app to delete its temporary cache files while preserving your settings. So go to Settings, then go to General, and from there select iPhone Storage and find T-Life. Now tap on Offload App and wait for a few seconds. After that, tap Reinstall App from the same screen. Step 2. Check for updates. Launch the Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS and in it search for T-Life. If an update button is visible, tap it to download the latest security patches. And if it says open, your app is already fully updated. Step 3. Perform a clean reinstallation. If clearing the cache and updating does not work, the app's background data may be deeply corrupted, requiring a fresh install. So long press the T-Life icon on your home screen or app drawer and select Uninstall or Delete app. Then turn your phone completely off and then back on. This terminates any stuck background processes and completely flushes your system RAM. Then re-download the official app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 4. Network and access fixes. If the network error persists after installation, the block is likely caused by your active internet connection or device configuration. First, toggle Wi-Fi/cellular. If you are on mobile data, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or vice versa. The login server sometimes blocks specific cellular IP ranges. Next is to disable VPNs. Disconnect from any corporate profile or personal VPN apps. VPNs frequently trigger security flags on the T-Life login portal. Next is to adjust location permissions. Ensure that T-Life has proper system permissions. So go to your device settings, find T-Life permissions, and set location access to allow all the time rather than only while using the app to bypass strict gateway handshakes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.